Here we have a DoAll surface grinder. We have it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power. And we're going to run it here. Use the coolant pump first. And you can run it with coolant and water. And then right now we have it set on the automatic mode, so we'll go ahead and set right now where the wheel is going to travel to about half of the block, and then we'll set it to where it's traveling back where it started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move it. Bring it back my way. Okay, that is DoAll surface grinder.